morning, guys. It's Sunday. It's early. It is what it is. Got to get up. Got to go to work and hustle. Got to get my grind on. That's what I do. Well pop, well pop, well pop. Just stopped and got my little French latte because I can't do that coffee. The coffee messes me up. It's been messing me up. Anyways, I want to get on and reach out to some people today. Not anybody in particularly. It's just really who needs it. See, I understand, we go through life and it ain't easy. It's not easy. It's not easy for all of us. And we struggle. And, we have things in our life that just hurt us, and hold us back and hold us down. And sometimes it's depression and sometimes it's an addiction. But I just wanted to reach out to my people, man. And let you guys know, God's always there, guys. I think the thing that gets me through it is knowing that God's always got my back and that God's always there. And He's always going to protect me. Some things happen and people are like, why would God let that happen? And I guess in those circumstances and those situations of unfortunate things that happen, you have to realize that God is still in control, but things do happen that are just really messed up, and it can hurt all kinds of people. It can hurt the ones you love the most. It can even hurt people that don't know about it, that know you. But I guess what my point I'm trying to get across to you guys is prayer. Like when you're feeling down, you're feeling out, just call upon Him, man. Like that song says, just call upon your friend. God's your friend, man. He's there for you. He's gonna be there for you, and He's not gonna let you down. And if you believe that with all your heart, man, it's great. God is great. It's the thing that's got me through all my troubles. I've been through a lot. I'm not saying I'm perfect. I've had my struggles in life. I'm not perfect. That's why I go to church. That's why I pray. That's why I believe in God and Jesus, because I believe that's the only way. That's the only way in life that I'm gonna get what I want in the end. And I'm not calling it being selfish, but it is being selfish in a way, because in the end, that's all I really want. Is I just want to be in heaven, and I just want to be in a good relationship with God, and I just want to be in a good relationship with Jesus and have Him in my heart. And it's real to me. It's real. I'm not perfect, and I'm constantly asking God to forgive me and to protect me, because it's important, guys. And I wanted to get on here and I wanted to preach that to you guys. I know some of you guys are suffering out there, and you're on the road constantly, and just know God's out there. He's there to protect you guys. This is who it's for. This is for you guys out there on the road. And I just pray for you guys. I pray for all my people, and especially my people that are tuning into all my social media. I reach out to me. I pray for you. I want the best for everybody. I pray for all the people reaching out to me and wanting help to help their career. I want to do all I can to help you, dude. I truly want you to have the stars as well. I want you to be successful. I want you to have God in your life. Without having God in your life, I feel like at times is destruction for people, and it's sad. It breaks my heart when people don't see the truth in Jesus and see the truth in God. They don't understand how real it is, and you need to realize it's real. And I just want to preach to you guys. It's Sunday. I'm out here. I'm working. It's been hot. It's been cold. My face breaking out. You can see the conditions taking place on me, taking its toll. But that's just part of being a rig welder. You got to face the conditions. I've been getting burnt up, on my face. I used to get burnt up, on my hand. How many of you guys get burnt up on your hand a lot? Yeah. Check out them CMR gloves. Them are what's saving me. Getting burnt up on my hand. Oh, I better slow down. But yeah, I love you guys, man. I want the best for you guys. Just let me pray for you guys, and and be there for you. So reach out to me, and let me know. Hit me up, leave it in the comments, whatever it is, it's fine if you don't believe. It's, I get it. That's not how you were brought up. It's not how you were raised. You haven't been really showing the way. I get that. And it's not your fault, and I don't I'm not one to judge nobody, bro. I'm not one to judge. Judging will be in the end of the time of the world, and that won't be me doing it. So, I'm an open mind and open heart. Man, you guys be real. I gotta do what I gotta do. I gotta go to work here, and I gotta hustle. I gotta weld pipe, but I do it because I love it, and I get up, and I'm thankful. I'm very appreciative, and I'm very fortunate that I live so close to all the work here, and I'm trying to pull everybody I can in all across the world to be involved here in Colorado. So get involved, guys. Good things are happening here in Colorado. There's a lot of work. Reach out to me. Let's get you going. Let's get you knowing the knowledge on how to pass that test and knowing what you're looking for. Hey, if you liked the video, leave a comment below. Share it with all your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, and thank you all so much. You rock. Peace.